Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a boomerang on Instagram using your camera roll. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Instagram application, and then on the top left corner of your screen you should be able to see the plus icon to add your story. On doing so, you'll be led to your gallery. Now go ahead and select the video that you would like to apply the boomerang to. Now on doing so, if you tap on the three dotted icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen, you should be able to see the boomerang option. If you don't, then it means that your Instagram is up to date. This feature is only available in the older versions of Instagram, so if you do not have this, then you might need to install an external application to create boomerangs on Instagram. So for that, go ahead and visit your Play Store, and on the Play Store, on the search box, type boomerang. Once you've done that, you should be able to see all these options where you can download it and create a boomerang on your own. And once you've installed this application, made a boomerang onto it, you can upload it to your Instagram. And this is how you can create a boomerang on Instagram using your camera roll. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.